Good afternoon, my name is Daniela Gray from The Power of Purpose. Now, as you can see behind me, the kitchen is just about finished. On the weekend, a tiler came in and installed my splashback. He tiled all the way up to 600 millimeters, added the grout, and it's just fantastic. It's so easy to keep clean, and I'll show you the kitchen starting from here. This is my smoothie station. So I still have these cords because the power points need to be installed by a Sparky. He has made it safe for the moment, but that's going to be done soon. So I make all my smoothies from here, so there's so much more space. The benches do go from about here to here, so I don't really know what that is in centimeters, but it's much better than before. My dishwasher's been scooched to the side, drawers over there. I have my double sink where all the plumbing is. I have my double sink, which is a posh sink with my mixer. It has 3 settings and it also pulls out to make cleaning a breeze. My drainer here, my splashback goes up to 600 millimeters, and eventually I will want that done up to the ceiling just for some consistency. That's the view I have from the kitchen. It's quite pretty. Today we had a gorgeous sunrise. It was so nice. Fantastic bench space here. My lovely gas cooktop, which is a dream to cook on. My son loves using this thing. And now the splashback, the idea of a gloss splashback is easy to clean if it's gloss, minimal grout so you don't see the dirt as much. My fantastic oven, it is a Westinghouse with all those functions there. It's fantastic. Fantastic bench space all along here. And it does extend with this minimal little island bench, but it does make a big difference because you can actually sit there now. Before you couldn't sit anywhere. So you can actually have like a couple of people here, a couple of people there, and even on this side on the corner. So that's what the kitchen looks like as soon as you walk in, with the cupboards on the top. Lovely splashback done on the weekend. So I have there's a fair few cupboards there. Bulkhead still needs to be painted. The range hood still needs to be hooked up. So the motor's inside here. If you open up, when they do the line for the power, it'll go through that hole all along outside of the house, past the garage. So that's fantastic too. Just got to be a bit patient to get that done. Can't wait for this power point to be installed and I can actually use my slow cooker there. But these things can be transported outside. The splashback is absolutely beautiful. It does bring out the silver trim, as you can see. There is silver trim all along the window reveal, and he's even put silver trim on the edge of the other side, which is fantastic. So that's the kitchen. When you're looking at it, it does look fantastic. The drawers are soft closed, so they don't bang. Fantastic way for it to be maximized, because before, as you can see when I was using that jackhammer to get the tiles off here, it was an amazing feeling just to get rid of those old, worn out, rotten tiles. And now we're just left with complete and utter bliss, because as you know, pink is one of my favorite colors, and I do need space when I cook, because as you know, I do love to cook. So tonight I'm going to be cooking another 3-course meal for the boys because they are going to be so hungry. So all the power to me to get the cooking done. Please like this video and the renovation progress, and I'll see you soon for more videos. Have a great night. Thanks.